Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak English Easily, the podcast where you improve your English by listening to real, interesting stories.
And today's story is about someone very famous. Lisa, give them a little hint.
He was born in South Africa. He taught himself to code at 10 years old. He almost lost everything twice. And today, he sends rockets into space.
I think many people already know who this is.
Even if you know his name, I promise you will learn something new today. His story is truly incredible.
We're talking about Elon Musk. And before we start, here are your listening instructions. Listen at natural speed, do not pause, try to understand the main idea, and enjoy the story. This is practice, not a test.
All right, are you ready? Here is the story of Elon Musk.
Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. He was a quiet child. He loved books, computers, and science. While other children played outside, Elon stayed inside and read. He read so many books that the local library ran out of new ones to give him. When Elon was around 10 years old, he got his first computer. He taught himself how to code, no teacher, no special school, just books and practice every single day. At 12, Elon created a small video game called Blastar and sold it to a computer magazine for $500. Very impressive for a 12-year-old. But life at home was not easy. His parents separated when he was young. At school, other children bullied him because he was different, quiet, bookish, and thoughtful. One time, a group of boys hurt him so badly he had to go to the hospital. Life was hard, but Elon did not stop dreaming. At 17, Elon made a big decision. He wanted to leave South Africa and go to North America. He believed there were more opportunities there. He moved to Canada first. He had little money. He worked small, hard jobs, cutting wood, cleaning a boiler room, working on a farm. He never complained. He kept going. Later, he moved to the United States and studied economics and physics at the University of Pennsylvania. He worked hard and graduated with 2 degrees. After university, he was accepted into a famous PhD program at Stanford University. But he left after just 2 days. Why? He had a new idea about the internet, and he wanted to act on it fast. He did not want to wait. In 1995, Elon and his brother Kimball started a company called Zip2. It helped newspapers put their information on the internet. They worked day and night, slept in the office, and ate cheap food, but they believed in their idea. In 1999, a large company bought Zip2. Elon received $22 million. He was only 27. He did not stop. He used almost all of his money to start an online payment company. Later, this became PayPal. In 2002, eBay bought PayPal for $1.5 billion. $1.5 billion. Many people would stop there, but Elon had much bigger dreams. He wanted to go to Mars. He wanted to change how people travel. So he started again. In 2002, Elon started SpaceX. The goal? Build rockets and make space travel cheaper. People laughed at him. Experts said it was impossible. The first 3 rockets failed. Elon lost hundreds of millions of dollars. Friends told him to stop, but he tried one more time. In 2008, the 4th rocket worked. SpaceX became the first private company to send a rocket into orbit, a historic moment. Around the same time, Elon invested in a small electric car company, Tesla. Most people thought electric cars were slow and boring, but Elon had a different vision. He wanted them fast, beautiful, and exciting. Today, Tesla is one of the most famous car brands in the world. Then came Solar City, the Boring Company, and Neuralink. Elon did not build just one company, he built many, and he changed many industries.
In 2008,
Both SpaceX and Tesla were in serious trouble at the same time. Elon was almost completely out of money. He was borrowing from friends just to pay his rent. He could not sleep. He was under enormous pressure. But he did not give up. He kept pushing forward, even when everything seemed impossible. Today, SpaceX sends astronauts to the International Space Station. Tesla cars drive on roads in almost every country, and Elon Musk is worth hundreds of billions of dollars. From a quiet boy in South Africa who taught himself to code to one of the most powerful people on the planet, that is the story of Elon Musk.
Okay, Lisa, powerful story as always. Now let's help our listeners with 5 natural phrases from the story.
Yes, these are simple but very useful in real English conversations. Listen carefully.
Phrase 1. He kept going. This means he did not stop. Even when things were hard, he continued.
Like, the work was cold and dirty, but he kept going. You can use this about anyone who works hard and doesn't give up.
Phrase 2. A different vision. Here, vision doesn't mean seeing with your eyes. It means a clear idea about the future.
Elon saw electric cars differently from everyone else. He had a different vision. We can say, she has a vision for her business. Simple and powerful.
Phrase 3. Act on it fast. This means do something quickly. Don't wait.
When Elon had his internet idea, he didn't think about it for years. He acted on it fast. Good advice for all of us.
Phrase 4. Under enormous pressure. Enormous means very, very big, so this means a very stressful situation with many serious problems.
In 2008, with 2 failing companies and no money, Elon was definitely under enormous pressure.
And phrase 5. Pushing forward. This means continuing towards your goal, even when it is difficult.
I love this one, and actually, our listeners are pushing forward too. Every time you practice your English, you are pushing forward. Keep going.
Time to check understanding. John, your turn to ask the questions. Okay, everyone, 4 questions. You have 5 seconds to think after each one. Then Lisa will give you the answer. Ready? Question 1. Main idea. What is the main idea of today's story? Now let's look at 6 key words from today's story. I'll give the word and meaning. Lisa, you give the example. Word 1. Opportunity. A chance to do something good or useful.
He moved to North America because he saw a great opportunity there.
Word 2. Invest. To put money into something because you believe it will grow.
Elon decided to invest all his money into SpaceX, even though it was very risky.
Word 3. Orbit. The path a spacecraft travels around the Earth or another planet.
In 2008, SpaceX successfully sent a rocket into orbit for the first time.
Word 4. Pressure. A feeling of stress when you have many serious problems at the same time.
In 2008, Elon was under enormous pressure. Both of his companies were almost out of money.
Word 5. Vision. A clear and strong idea about what the future could look like.
Elon had a vision of a world with clean energy and electric cars for everyone.
And word 6. Industry. A large area of business, like the car industry or the tech industry.
Tesla completely changed the car industry by making electric cars exciting and popular.
Try to use at least one of these words this week. Even in a sentence in your head, that is real practice.
My favorite part, discussion time.
You say that every single episode.
Because I mean it every time. Here is today's question.
Elon Musk failed 3 times with his rockets. He almost lost everything, but he tried one more time, and it worked. So, do you think it is always worth trying one more time, or is it sometimes better to stop and try something new?
I'll go first. I think if you truly believe in something, try one more time. But if something makes you deeply unhappy, it is also okay to let go and find a new path.
I agree. Elon still believed. That belief kept him going. What about you? Write your answer in the comments. 1 or 2 simple sentences is perfect. We read every comment. And that is the end of today's episode of Speak English Easily.
Well done for listening all the way to the end. That is real commitment, and commitment is what makes your English stronger every day.
Our tip for this week: listen to this episode one more time. The second listen is always easier. You will catch words you missed. You will feel more confident.
If you enjoyed today's story, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. New episodes come every week. Real stories, simple English, real progress.
And if you have a topic you'd like us to cover, a famous person, a place, a company, write it in the comments.
This channel is for you. We are here every week to help you grow.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing.
And keep pushing forward.
See you in the next episode. Bye for now.